thank you very much for clicking onto this video. So it is another Fabfitfun video. I know, I can't believe it. It's just they're having so many sales at the minute. Now, I think this is from the second round of the edit sale. I am an annual member, and if you don't know about Fabfitfun, hopefully I'll put all the relevant information in the description box. But these sales go on in between the launch of the subscription box, which is seasonal, so 4 times a year. They have sales in between, and they're usually very good, big branded items at really discounted prices. So as an annual member, I have first choice or first early access to the sales, and I already did that in the first round, but I spotted some things in the second round of the edit sale, and I decided to go for those as well. So this arrived this morning by big surprise. I didn't receive a tracking email, so I assumed it wasn't shipped, unless I missed it somehow, but I'm not sure what was going on there. But it did arrive, and the other surprise is that I haven't opened it. I just have been super busy today, and that's the reason I've left it alone. Even though I can't remember what I ordered, I do know I ordered a mystery bundle, and I have no idea what's inside because I didn't have a tracking number with the code. And if you don't know, if you order a mystery bundle and you have a code, you can go into the community forum, and if other people have uploaded their mystery bundles and have the same code as you, there's 9 times out of 10 the chance that you're going to get the same mystery bundle. But there are exceptions to the rule, of course, and I'll put a bit of information in the description box about that as well. But without further ado, as I say, I'm going to have to go and get a knife because I've forgotten it again to open the tape. Okay, back in a sec. Okay, I've grabbed my knife, my trusty IKEA knife, which I absolutely love. And the box this time is slightly bigger than the one that I got in the last sale, but it's still a lot smaller than the ones I usually use, which is good. Right. But to be honest, like, I mean, I just opened the end there, and the middle is just keeping open. This has happened a few times, and I have raised it with Fabfitfun, but I don't know. That's a bit concerning. So this is what it's like inside. It's always well packed. So it is, so loads of air bubbles. And everybody seems to be using the brown paper now. And my little packet note. So I'm just going to pop it down there. And let me see. Yep, my mystery bundle's here. So apparently I only ordered a mystery bundle because I honestly, that's the only thing I remember. Mystery bundle and 2 other items. So I'll show you what the 2 other items first. And I don't want to look in the mystery bundle. I don't want to look at that yet because it will be a surprise. Right, I've got the 2 items out. And the first one, and this is actually for my granddaughter. And this is so cute. I should have actually ordered more, but I was trying to be good. And it's a spongelle or spongelli, whatever way you're supposed to pronounce it. I have no idea, because equal amount of people pronounce it both ways. So yeah, it's a spongelle. If you don't know, if you're new to Fabfitfun, it's like a pre-loaded sponge with bath and shower stuff infused into the sponge. So it's quite hard. So then you just add water, and it releases the sponge. Absolutely gorgeous. And I think this was only, I think this was $5, and it's enough for, hold on, I'm gonna have to get my glasses, but I think you get quite a few uses out of these. I still have some that I bought in another sale, or I actually got them in a mystery bundle, and I haven't used it yet. And then another one that I gave away as a present. Yeah, but I thought this was fun because she has a thing about rubber ducks. So when I seen this, I just grabbed it. But I'm sorry now that I didn't grab a few more, but absolutely gorgeous. Right, the next item, and it's from Holy Frog, and I've got this before, and this is a Milky cleansing wash. So Milky being, I thought it'd be really good for dry skin. I'm not sure with the item that I got before. It was a cleanser, and I thought it was lovely, but I'm not sure if it was this particular range, but it was definitely by the brand. So that's it there. And I think there was two available. Nourishing, it's Tashmo Water Lily. Try and put it there for you to see. Nourishing Milky Wash, and I thought that was more aimed at dry skin. There was another one there, and I think it was aimed at oily skin. I'm just trying to see if I can open it to smell it, but I can't. It's stuck on there tight, and I don't want to pump it now, but my skin is really dry at the minute, so I am definitely going to be using that. I cannot remember the price. I will, when I'm editing this video, I probably put the price in there. But I love the packaging. The packaging's absolutely gorgeous. It feels sort of rubberized, and I'm sure if I remember the last one I used, it was lovely, and it smelled lovely as well. Oh, the packaging's gorgeous. Look inside the box. That is beautiful. And I think, I can't remember, is that a Korean brand? I'm not sure. If I can remember and put it in the down here of where this is from, but I have a funny feeling it's Korean. So that's it. Really love it. So now the mystery bundle. So this is going to be exciting. And I did look in the community forum to see what sort of mystery bundles were about, and they didn't look all that promising. In one of the previous sales, they were giving away on-high blankets in the mystery bundles. And I know it's not an on-high blanket because the box is too light. But yeah, we shall see. So, right. Okie dokie. Right, so they always come in these bags, and they're always tied in a way that you have to rip them in order to get the stuff out. Oh no, it's coming. There we go. I've been lucky with mine. And the mystery bundles, now they're always $29.99. You more or less get 3 or 4 items, but I've usually always got 4. But the total value is supposed to be worth over $100. So we shall see. Okay. The first item is from this brand here, the Shakai. It looks like socks. Right, so, or slippers. It's woolly mittens. Spring. The mystery bundles are so random, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love them. I can't believe it. Lots of people were complaining they got out of season stock in their mystery bundles, but that is the gamble. And to be honest, I've just put them away and keep them for winter. But I think these would be good for my daughter as well. She's dexterity problems, and trying to put her hands into proper gloves is a struggle. So these will be perfect for her, but and they're so warm looking. These are brilliant. I wonder how much they are retail, and it's not very often that we get fashion items in the mystery bundles. We don't get a lot of fashion because I think they don't keep a lot of fashion in their main warehouse. It gets shipped out from elsewhere, and I think that's why. But these are brilliant. They sort of remind me of I don't know, like a sort of animal. These are fantastic. So I'm really actually very happy with these, even though they're winter. Oh my gosh, and they feel really soft on the outside. They feel like a sort of rabbit fur, and they are lined with a sheepskin inside. These are fantastic. I am proper surprised, and I don't think I've seen them in any of the other mystery. Oh, that's what I should have did. I am silly. Where is it? The code. I'm sitting talking about the code, and I never showed you the code of this mystery bundle. It is, that's it there. So it's 2101 MYS026. That's it there. Right, okay. So the second item is from Stila. Oh my gosh, this is turning out to be a really good mystery bundle. I can't believe it. And it's a mascara. Fantastic. I didn't want it to be a lipstick because I have millions of lipsticks at the minute, but I go through mascara. Oh, this is fantastic. If I can open it. Right. Hold on a second. Okay, some of the boxes are really tight and really hard to get open. So that is a mascara. I am not going to open it now, but oh my gosh, that is really, I'm really happy with that. So that's 2 out of 2 so far that I really love. Right, number 3. And I have no idea what this is. Description: multifunctional charcoal soap sponge. Right. Intriguing. Oh. Right, it's from Daily Concepts. So there is 3 of them there. Daily Concepts, really good brand, and any of the stuff that I've seen before in the sales, they do lots of beauty, makeup sponges and towels and things like that. So this is a soap sponge, and it's infused with charcoal. It's supposed to be gentle, mild, and vigorous. So it must be exfoliating. Activate and let's see. I'm not sure what that says. I am going to open, I might as well open one up. See if I can open it up easily without ripping it. No. Hold on a second. Okay, as soon as you open and taking it out of the packaging, it smells, but it smells really good. It smells clean. So that looks like the charcoal there. Ooh, it's black. And there's a little sponge there. So it's obviously some sort of like sponge soapy cleanser. Charcoal is really, really good for oily skin, but I mean, all skin types can use charcoal. It's really good. So yeah, definitely use them. Not as enthusiastic, but I mean, I do go through cleansers, so I could use those. What up, Night Night? This is the last product. So fantastic. Oh, I can't believe it. This absolutely brilliant. This is from Growing Alchemist. Absolutely love Growing Alchemist. It's an Australian skincare brand full of natural ingredients. Usually smells brilliant. And this is an age repair mask. Oh my gosh, they know me so well. Oh, this is fantastic. Free from skin aging toxins and carcinogenics, and no sulfates, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance. Absolutely brilliant. I just want to be careful opening boxes. So, right. And their packaging is amazing too. That's it there. And this is sort of like a metal tube. I hold it the right way up. Oh my gosh, that mystery bundle is definitely brilliant. So just to recap, I got a Grown Alchemist mask. To be honest, anything from Grown Alchemist is absolutely amazing, so that's fine by me. And they are expensive. Um, the charcoal sponges, not so enthusiastic, but you know what? I still use them. I love different types of cleansers cleansing my face, so I'll see how I get on with them. I've opened one, the other two are still sealed, so if I don't feel that is for me, then I can gift out the other two. The mascara from Stila, amazing, and the lovely little mittens, the little fur mittens, amazing too. I've never heard of this brand. I must look up when I'm doing the edit, and if I find out, I'll put it in the bottom of the screen, and I'll also put on the bottom of the screen then the total when I'm finding out, to see if it was worth my $29.99. But I can already tell you that it definitely is, because the Grown Alchemist is 20. This mask is probably worth $29.99, so it's worth the whole bundle. Yeah, so I'm really shocked because the ones that I've been seeing in the community forum have been okay, but nothing that really I wanted. So that's fantastic. Yeah, so if you've made it this far into the video, let me know what you think, and I hope you have a lovely evening or a lovely day wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.